onto function. Let's discuss something about onto function, but before going to discuss onto, let's know something about a function. We know that a function is just a rule of correspondence of elements from one set to another set. Function works just like a machine. If we give something to the machine as input value and the machine will give some value as a result, which is we call an output value. Let's consider a common example of circumference. Circumference CR is a function of R. This is totally depend on this R, which is radius of the circle. For example, if we have this circle and the R is small value, and if we increase this R, the circle will automatically increase, and if we increase further the value of R, the circle will increase furthermore. And this is just a simple example to understand about the function. Circumference is a function in which R is our domain and this 2 pi R is our range. This is our domain value. Or in other words, this is input. This is our input and this is output value. Here R is our input value and circumference is our output value. Let's come to the topic onto function. Just for example, consider a function A is a set and B is another set. This set consists of 1, 2, 3 and another set 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So onto function is that type of function in which we say that range is equal to the set B. What does we mean range and domain? Let's consider this is a function and corresponding values. So this one takes part in the function process. This is our domain and this is our range. This is our domain and this is our range. This is domain and 6 is range. This is domain and 7 is range. But we cannot say that 8 is a range value. 8 is in the set of B but it is not in the range of this function F. So here in the range we have 5, 6 and 7, but this is not equal to the set B. The set B consists of 5, 6, 7 and 8. And if we have a function, or in simple word, if we remove this 8, then the range is equal to what? 5, 6, 7 and this is equal to the set B because the set B also consists of 5, 6 and 7. This is a simple example to understand about the domain, range and onto function. Let's consider another example in which we understand about the domain, range and onto function. This is set A, this is our set B, A, B, C and this is D and E. The function name is A. A is corresponded with D, B is corresponded with E and C is also corresponded with E. So let's think. Is this function is onto function or not? Look at here at the range value. Don't look at the domain value. Just look at here. Either each and every element take part in the function process or not. So look at here, D is also busy with A, E is also busy with B and C. So our range is D and E. D and E. And look at the set B. What set B have elements? D and E. So in a function, if range of the function is equal to the set B, that type of function will be known as onto function, which is the second type of function. Okay, thank you. All the best.